Hey guys, in this video, you are going to learn how to translate a website with Google Translate. Last time, I showed you how to pin Google Translate to taskbar, so now I will teach you how to translate an entire website using the Google Translate website. Don't worry, it is very easy, no complex process. In order to be successful, all you have to do is listen well and follow every step that I make. So let us go back to the topic. Did you know that you can translate an entire website using Google Translate? This feature is often overlooked by people and it is really a lifesaver. You don't have to manually copy and paste every sentence to Google Translate. And I am sure you know that some websites does not let the user to copy and paste the text on their website, so this feature will save you time. Alright, let us get on with the video. To translate a website with Google Translate, all you have to do is open your browser. I will use Google since we are talking about Google Translate. You can use whatever browser you want, the steps will be the same. Now, as we can see, I have a website ready right here, which I am going to translate using Google Translate. Right now, it is in English, but later on, we will turn it into Spanish. Now, before we continue, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can be notified when there are new videos, updates, and other content from our channel. Also, we will appreciate it if you visit our channel. We upload numerous tutorials on how to do things on your smartphone. Alright, let us get back to the video. Now that we have our website that we want to translate ready, the next step will be going to visiting the Google Translate website. You can type in translate.google.com to visit it directly, or you can just search for Google Translate. Scroll down and open the website. Good. After opening Google Translate website, what I want you to do next is tap websites and then change the language from English to the language that you want it to be translated. In my case, it is going to be Spanish. And after that, I want you to go back to the website that you wish to translate and then copy its URL. To do that, just tap the tabs, open the website, and tap on the Google search bar, hit the copy icon, and we are almost done. Now let us go back to Google Translate, paste the URL that we just copied, and then hit enter. It will redirect us to the same website but with a different language. And that is it. As we can see, we now have successfully translated an entire website using Google Translate. If you find this video helpful, then please share it so we can help others. Thank you for watching.